Today, over 60% of customers still call the service department to schedule their appointment. Your team needs speed, accuracy, and simplicity. Here's how CDK Scheduler delivers all three. With 3 dashboard views, daily, capacity, and advisor, along with smart filters, BDC agents see exactly what they need and fast. Also, just click on any appointment or repair order, and a slide out shows you everything you need to know. Imagine your customer calling in asking about the status of their vehicle. With the slide out, your BDC can see instantly all the details, so they can give quick, confident answers every time. Of course, scheduling a new appointment is just as easy. With real-time vehicle data, built-in pricing guide, and weekly availability view, BDC agents can schedule faster and smarter. Give customers the date and time that works best for them. With just 4 key details, vehicle, service, customer, and time, your team can book confidently and your customer gets a confirmation text in seconds. It's everything you need to deliver a seamless scheduling experience, start to finish.